Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Hamid and today we are going to tackle another feature in Next.js called layouts. Are you ready? Let's dive in. So far in this section on routing, we've explored pages, which are unique UIs for each route. In this video, let's dive into layouts. A layout is UI shared among multiple pages in the application. When building apps, it's common to have a consistent layout across pages, like a header at the top and a footer at the bottom. Layouts make this easier. With layouts, achieving consistency becomes much simpler. In this video, we won't create a layout from scratch, as Next.js provides one by default. In the app folder, you will find a file named layout.tsx or layout.jsx, which serves as the topmost layout, referred to as the root layout. Even if you delete it, Next.js regenerates it. Layout.tsx follows a naming convention in the app router. It's crucial as it serves as the mandatory root layout. Now let's discuss the code within layout.tsx. Focus on the React component. Every layout component should accept a children prop replaced by a child component during rendering. Let's add a header and footer within layout.tsx. This creates a consistent layout for every page. Even if you navigate to different routes, the header and footer remain present. In our scenario, page.tsx in the app folder replaces the children prop when the layout is rendered. Let me inspecting the elements. You will see HTML tags for English language corresponding to the layouts. The body tag contains Hello World from the children prop representing the unique UI for the page. In our layout, there is a header and footer creating a consistent layout for every page in our app. This allows freedom to add markup, styles, and behavior while ensuring a consistent layout. In the next video, we'll explore nested layout in Next.js. Feel free to create your header and footer components and include them in the root layout. Let me know in the comments if it works as expected. See you in the next video.